NCE is a leading supplier of components to the Australian RV manufacturing industry. With a large range of exclusive NCE products and the Australian rights to some of the leading worldwide RV brands, NCE is able to offer a vast array of cutting-edge products, including the latest in electrical, structural products to the Australian RV industry, and a wide variety of products to suit the end consumer. From the full suite of timber products including plywood, panelling trims, mouldings, structural caravans and RV furniture, to the very best in RV specific components including TVs, white goods, air conditioners, cookware, interior and external lighting, audio-visual, bedding and flooring. Its core product offering has now expanded to include RV windows, hatch doors and wall panelling systems. NCE is a family-owned company established in 1966, having been involved in the RV industry for more than 50 years with its head office based in Melbourne.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm the NCE RV Sales Manager. I've been in the industry for approximately 10 years, dealing with all aspects including OEM, dealers and end users. Also have a vast knowledge of manufacturing and research and development. I have here with me Jared. Jared's a colleague of mine here at NCE. Jared, if you could explain your role here at the company.
Not a problem, Paul. I am Product Development and Caravan Warranty Assessor. So I've been involved in the industry now for close to 20 years, dealing with caravans and motorhomes, with experience in all aspects of servicing and repairs, manufacturing, research and development, product development, and now part of the NCE supply chain and warranty assessments.
Thanks, Jared. And I'd also like to welcome everybody to the NCE webinar.
NCE is always looking to innovate and bring you brand new products. Today we're going to be discussing our Smith's portable barbecue range. To my right here we have a 430 stainless steel model, which is great for all your inland areas. We also have a 304 stainless steel, which is more durable for your coastal areas and for your marine people. To my left we have the Smith's pizza oven. It is great for cooking obviously your pizzas, for roasts, for everything like that. Not only are these products great for your caravan and for camping purposes, but they're also great for your backyard, or if you've got a small apartment with a little balcony. They're a very small unit and can fit there. If you are using it on a balcony, just check with your body corporate to make sure you're allowed to have a gas barbecue running. And I will go through and show you what's inside these little units. So if I open up this one, it's actually supplied with the pizza stone. It's supplied with a cast iron plate for cooking all your bacon and eggs and everything in the morning. And we've also got our grill there for cooking a nice juicy steak on it. I'll put these back here. Once again, with the pizza oven, same accessories are supplied. It's got a very large door on it. They have temperature gauge, both barbecues have a temperature gauge on there. Pizza stone inside there, and it also comes with the cast iron plate as well. They connect to a standard gas bottle fitting, just screw it on and away you go. Same with our little model here. Some of the great features with the Smith's portable barbecue range is the fact that they can heat up to 250 degrees in the space of 5 minutes. They are easy to clean, quite a large cooking area on top of them here. Very, very, very easy to clean. They actually have a very simple pull-out tray which comes out from behind that collects all your fats and drippings and whatever. Just slides back in and locks back into position. Another great thing about this particular barbecue is the fact that the lid can actually pop off very, very easily. A hood extender can be purchased to go around it, which actually lifts the height of the lid up, allows you to cook a better roast or something like that inside there. And then it simply slots back on like so. A couple of little latches on the side to lock it in position for traveling purpose, and the lid's not going to bounce anywhere. The barbecue one, the pizza one, sorry, I should say, once again, has the flat tray for cleaning purposes and everything like that inside. Very high lid on it, so perfect for cooking a roast as well. They both have a very large dial on the front which has a piezo ignition, so very, very easy to light. No worry about having to light lighters or matches or anything like that. Some of the accessories that are being able to purchase with the barbecues are, we have a lovely little carry bag for those people that are maybe camping or traveling in a camper trailer or something like that, or even for a use if you're going to go down to a local park or something for a picnic with the family and friends. Easy to carry along and take with you. The Smith's portable barbecue range is great for many different scenarios, as I've already said to you, for your caravan, for your camper trailers, for camping, for home use, for picnics, for whatever thing that you could think of that you need to take a barbecue. I got the pleasure of testing one at Christmas, which is probably one of the best parts about my job, testing new products. And we were cooking pizzas in this thing, and they were done in 7 minutes, and they were absolutely perfection. They were really good. Not only obviously for pizzas, but for your steaks, because of the high heat that you can get it to. Great for searing your steak and getting it nice and crunchy on the outside, but very juicy on the inside still. The pizza oven, obviously you can do exactly the same thing without the use of a hood extender. You can put your roast, you can put anything you like inside this thing, veggies, everything, and they cook really well. So NCE and Smith's Barbecue will also be bringing out a couple of new models of this in the near future. They will be fully gas approved, so that way you can hard mount it inside your caravan. It'll come on slides and runners and pull it out, and a couple of little fold down tables to go beside it to put all your cooking gear on and essentials. And they are a great little barbecue. My old barbecue is now getting delegated to the bin, and my next camping trip I'll be taking my Smith's Barbecue with me. For all you outdoor chefs out there, you cannot go past the NCE Smith's Portable Barbecue range. Once again, constructed of high quality stainless steel, lightweight, weighing only 14 kilos, very durable and robust, has a very large dial on the front for controlling your temperatures, has the very large dial for reading your temperatures. You cannot go wrong. This is the perfect companion for all your recreational needs, and you will be the envy at the caravan park.
Thank you for coming to the NCE webinar. For further information, please visit the NCE RV virtual booth at the Virtual Caravan Show.
For more information, you can also visit nce.com.au, or alternatively send an email to sales@nce.com.au.